Welcome to section 5.5, the styloid recess. Some people like to have a reduction from the recess forwards, and that's this little section here on the left and right side of the foot. So what you need to tell us is what diameter the circular section at the rear point of the recess is, and then we'll take that all the way forwards according to the width. Okay, so the diameter of 16 mils means a trench that will follow from the recess forwards 16 mils along the length of the lateral border. Again, you can do the diameter will delineate that and how deep you want it with relation to the shell thickness that you have up here. Again, if it's more than the total shell thickness, the styloid recess will be a cutout. Okay, so essentially we always try to bevel the holes, but we can do anything when it comes to 3D printing. You just need to make notes on the back. All right. So that's styloid recess. Have fun. See you next time.